everybody, welcome. My name is Steve Boyer and I'm your plant manager here at Solar Innovations. What I'm here to talk about today is what's so cool about manufacturing at Solar Innovations.
First off, what is the day-to-day processes that you guys have on the floor?
So, two things that we do on the manufacturing floor that we really focus on is the scheduling of the production that comes through all the departments. And the second thing is developing the leadership on the floor with all the men and women on the floor.
So one of the products we're able to showcase in our facility is a solar chimney. So we have a skylight at the top of the structure, bringing natural light in. And in a solar chimney, we've got vents hooked up to the heating and cooling system to help regulate temperature in the building. So you have an opportunity to see that showcased right in our facility.
What is the first step to get a finished product?
First step is to contact our sales team via an email, architectural drawings, floor plans, elevations, hand sketch, so we can design something that'll fit in the space you're trying to fill.
And my first question is, what is your favorite thing about what you do?
The ability to open up people's homes and businesses to have a better outdoor experience.
This store weighs 800 pounds. You think I can move it? I can.
What is your favorite thing about what you do?
Reality, favorite thing about what I do is everything's different every day. We're running different colors all the time to the customer spec, what they ordered. We have a lot of our standards, but it's just all around different, fast paced, getting them in and out.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
So, the coolest thing about what we do here is I'm a big sports fan, so I get to see our product at all the different stadiums.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
The people and the culture.